Are you a grateful person? Baka may mga taong dapat mo nang pasalamatan. Madalas sinasabi natin yan kung nasa kabaong na. Thank you ha. Wala na, hindi ka na matidinig yan. Right now, anybody katabi mo na dapat mong pasalamatan? Thank you ha. Salamat. Salamat po. We don't say it enough. There's a story about husbands who were on retreat and their assignment was, now you get your cell phone, you send a word of thanks. Pasalamatan mo yung misis mo. So they all did. Aba, amazing mga response. Yung una nag-response, sabi, how are you? Are you sick? May sakit ka ba? Or the other one said, is this message for me? Another one sent back, he said, who you? Parang bihira kasi siya pinapasalamatan. Today, the Lord reminds us again to be grateful.